How to buy KOLScan on Trust Wallet. So as you can see, this token is available on the screen. Just go and find it. Now after that, copy the token address, and as you can see, this token address is under the base network. Now open your Trust Wallet for that. Now as you can see, scroll down, click on Manage Crypto, click on this plus icon and select the base as a network. Here type or paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on Add Token. Now what you need to do, find the KOLScan token here. Just scroll down a little bit to be able to find it. So this is it. Now click on it. So unfortunately, you will see here just two options here, and you can't see the swap here. Now the method of buying this token on Trust Wallet is different from other wallets. Now what you need to do here, just go to that wallet that you have the KOLScan on it and go and select the KOLScan and click on Send. Now after that, they will ask you for the withdrawal address of the KOLScan from the Trust Wallet. Now what you need to do, just click on Receive, click on Proceed anyway. Now select the KOLScan another time. As you can see, copy this withdrawal address, go to your Bitkit wallet or any wallet that you have that KOLScan in it, and now paste that withdrawal address on this section of Receive. Now after that, click on Send and you will be able to receive it on your Trust Wallet. So this is how to buy a KOLScan token on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.